My name is María Anzola. I'm originally from Valencia, Venezuela. I'm majoring in international trade and finance, and I'm minoring in energy. I wasn't exposed to finance or high finance until I came to LSU, and within the Ourso College of Business, I met Dr. Cortad. He introduced me to Varadero Capital, which is the firm where I interned my sophomore year. And throughout the rotational program, I was able to get exposed to the different things that you can do within the world of high finance. And I would say that's when I realized, or I found out what investment banking was. And I started to really love how it worked, how fast-paced it was, and how strategic you have to be throughout each step of it all. I think it really reminded me of powerlifting in a sense. I love powerlifting because it's a very numbers-based sport. It's all about a program and your peak and what are you choosing to do throughout each day, because if you change your meals, if you change the amount of squats you do one day, that's going to affect you on the day you compete. And it kind of reminded me of the same way or strategy that you think about a deal. Whatever comps you choose for that deal, whatever companies you're looking at for maybe other transactions that are similar to it, what day you're choosing to drop the news about that deal, what day you choose to announce it, it all can affect how the deal actually turns out to be. And I really love the fact that I could merge both my professional life and my athletic life.